We talked to them about Chem-Pak. They were excited, they were enthusiastic, and they really, all of their views on the way that we should move forward together align perfectly with Chem-Pak.
You've got a team that's invested in their company, and you've got a team that knows their business inside and out, and the Chem-Pak team truly does.
They truly care about their team here at Chem-Pak. They truly cared about the change management piece. And rather than trying to do this in the quickest way possible, they wanted to do it in the right way.
You know, they were easily pushing things off into phase 2. So if there was something that we said, you know, it was going to impact our timeline, they'd give us 2 options. We could have exactly the process that we needed and modifications that we needed to handle it the way that we thought we needed to move forward, or they would simplify it and say, we can get you, an easier version of it for go live, and then we can evaluate further in a phase 2 to decide if there's something that we need to expand on further.
They were able to guide us through how we should adjust the timeline, where we should stay aggressive, where we were able to flex our timeline, what the most reasonable approach was. And there was a level of trust there that let us feel very comfortable with what they were suggesting.
You know, for the example where, one of the edge cases we thought through was, well, what happens if for some reason you already had a newer batch in the location?
We had bi-weekly steering committee meetings where we were working with their team, checking in, how are things going, what's the vibe around the office.
So we utilize a tool called Azure DevOps, and we try to put all of our work items into that system in such a way that things are classified, that we know what's a requirement, what's a task that needs to be accomplished, what's a feature that needs to be developed.
Our team was working with Guidepath as if they were working with one of their coworkers here. If we had a question, they had a resource that they could reach out to directly that was always available. Really, they were, collaborative with us every step of the way from start to finish.